Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Here we have to discuss about students that there are several number of students around the world who wants to study but can't because there are 75% of students who are poor and can't study. The reason behind the students can't study is that out of every 10 students, we can see 8 are those who wants to study but can't because of not having proper source, and most important part is money. Yeah, the proper source is one of the important thing which we can see, and also the money. So that's why we are here to give them the proper source and a free platform. Yeah, that's why it's also known as zero fees channel, because we will be providing them online platform, the ways to play and learn like quizzes. Yeah, and the most important, it is solution for every poor students. Let's see how. As we can see that we are not taking any fee with them. We will also deal with competitive examinations just because there are many poor students who can't afford coaching fees. Yeah, in competitive exams, see what we will be doing for the preparation of a state level examinations, for civil services, and for banking, railway, and SSC. We will be dealing with all the three things which you can see. And for academics, we will be dealing with class 6 to 12. And yeah, the most important test series. The test is most important thing to judge any candidates, or you can say any candidate can give test to check what is going on, and the discussion of questions will be there. And the most important part which will be going to give is the study material, which will be completely free of cost. The study materials, or you can say notes, will be either in PDF form or will be handwritten. We are working on our website so that we can provide you a proper material, but till then you can get the free materials from our telegram channel mentioned in description.